Welcome home, Daddy, as tears and warm embrace mark arrival of a Jamaican deportee on the US flight. So no see say although a man deported back a yard, him still have the support of him family if he's been there for them. If him did it for him family, even though whatever go on when him there foreign, him still get the support of him family. That's why I say it over and over again, say, make sure you send back even $50 or $100 to somebody, some family member back a yard, cause of them I go did it for you wait for you at airport. But this man was one of the lucky one. He looked like him take care of him family and him pitney them. It was no ordinary homecoming for at least 2 Jamaican deportees who returned on a United States flight deportation and a United States deportation flight. One deportee overcome with emotions, wept openly as he reunited with about 15 relatives who had gathered, eagerly awaiting his release after processing at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston. Let me ask you this now. You really feel, say, if you did the foreign and not give nobody nothing and turn your back on your family, you would have over 15 relatives all your pitney out there ball and a cry and a wait for you eagerly if you come out after processing? You know, so me a talk about say sometime if you have a family unit, a supportive family back home, when you get deported back to Jamaica, you will be okay. But if you was one of them who dash where you tick as you cross the water, or throw a stone behind you, or cut off everybody through you, they are foreign now, God go with you. This a man here right now, such a warm embrace, how them hug him and squeeze him and glad to see him. You now have to ask if this a man turn a foreign and build up himself at Jamaica and take care of him family and look out for everybody. That's why he can't have over 15 smaddy there at airport and wait pan. You think a little bit of smaddy that? You think a little bit of smaddy that I can wait pan smaddy will get deported? Him happy when I do something right in a Jamaica. He happy when I take care of him people and I look out for them. Make them so glad to see him and did it for him. Never, ever cut off everybody. You can cut off some people, but don't cut off everybody. You never know what can reach you in another man's country. If you never born there, you no belong there. Anything where you get is a privilege. And remember, this was the statement made by the Homeland Security and the USCIS, them share it on them page. Say it is a privilege whether you want to have green card, it is a privilege. You're a visitor in their country. Remember that. So when you see a plane now land a yard with like a 107 smaddy, and you hear see over 2,500 more upon the list to the deported, and it keep adding and adding, because just the other day, ICE just run in for immigration court and lock up everybody in there. Everybody we have a case in the immigration court, ICE go hold on upon them. In case you never know, ICE raid immigration court. ICE raid all immigration interviews where you go for visa interview and all them something there. Everything are go on. ICE them are raid a lawyer office right now. You hear me I say? So whole heap of little things we are going. So you know surprised when you see a man get deported. But me tell everybody already. Me ungo feel if the man them where left Jamaica from them a little youth. But me ask you this now. When a man get filed for, cause you can run off at 7-year-old or 9-year-old. So somebody have to carry go foreign. And I must file them file for you to come up there. And they file for you now, and you depend on a little green card, and you go get yourself in a problem and bang around because you go adapt certain foreign style and mash up yourself, and then you probably end up out of prison or whatever. Because the last man I see come down, him they are prison for 30 a year. and all them kind of something there, and then them send him back a yard. If nobody no see you for so long and nobody no hear from you, then you come a yard up on your face, you go coming up. When you have a strong family unit, people who you did look out for, even though you went run off, because enough man run off and make more money than people who straight in America. Remember that. And I can emphasize upon that. Enough people you see in America right now who don't even have paperwork and make more money than who have paperwork in a foreign. Enough of the sensible one them Bilal big mansion in Jamaica. Enough of the one them have car and road and run taxi in Jamaica, the sensible one them. But you have some, them now no paperwork and them tell themselves them live a foreign. And them now go back a yard. Them now no reason to go back. The next thing when me see again, you have these little ones now upon the thing where you call name TikTok. Them are the other one. Them act like say foreigner for them. Them now no have no paperwork. Them depend TikTok every day. And I make it clear all I tell people how them go cross border, how them this, how them that. But they don't realize that. They are now vetting. It is a part of the requirement now to vet your social. For screening, social media screening and vetting, them a check everything. Them a check everything. So some of them already shoot themselves in them foot and them not even know. They are doing screening and vetting on all social media platforms for people know who did it. So when we go out on yourself on social media and things say you gone nowhere, you have a thing with name digital footprint. It can't hide. When you put out, they can't rub out again. And when them pull up certain things and see how some of them are going with them and the people in the country and sitting there. Me say, it's a disgrace to see how some of them go on the same thing when you call name TikTok. And who are call ICE pan, who are call police pan, who are this and who are that. So no think none of them people that see on TikTok are going so they could get deported and nobody really don't yard sorry for them. You could have really go sorry for people like them there. God forbid the one them will go up there and overstay when a chair thing and then just get caught. God forbid. It's unfortunate. But you see the one them will lay careless and go on with themselves. All them one never TikTok where go on with baiting and blah 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 and go on with themselves. And then so other one to go waste them time. No man can't sorry for you man. And no for uno cut off everybody, uno do nothing, uno never help nobody yet at Jamaica, uno never do nothing for nobody. You think you can reach a airport at Jamaica and you hear somebody say, welcome home daddy. A ball and give you a warm welcome embrace for your arrival out of deportation plane. 15 somebody there wait for you. Come on man. Come on man. People, we browse on the top of this immigration thing. It'll get wussy. It'll get wussy and it getting harder and harder and harder. Me tell them already. Social media go be a lot of people don't fall. The one them when know they're not good in their people, them country and them are going with themselves. Because here, when them ready now to put in them application, and when them put in it, and them do background check, and now they are adding social media screening and vetting as part of the requirements. Even the student them are feeling right now. But boy, oh boy, me I tell you. I don't like to see the deportation plane their land. But the amount of people in the America right now in a detention center, the plane them not up land of Jamaica. But me just hope enough of the people them when prepare themselves that anything is possible. So they when kind of preset certain thing. And I hope that you know the family they on good level because sometimes we don't need that family strength when you don't get deported for bring you back on the feet. Because sometimes if you don't have no money, you can't do it alone. But if you have a good family, if you have good friends, if you did build a foundation of yard already, no matter any country you get deported from, you're not going to go suffer. Nothing can make you go down go suffer. And that a man need to know. Even if it's something you did do with your name plan to go stay. Or whatever you did, just help all your brother build up a house or your sister or whoever or your woman or something. But somebody will look your direction because you did do little good. That's why they say, so when you do good sometime, good will follow you. Look pon the brother here right now. Him welcome home like one king a reach a Jamaica and deport him get deport. Always make sure you spread your bed and left one nice echo sponge spread up. That if you drop, you have sucked my drop pan. Believe when me tell you that.